The need for digital transformation in manufacturing is here. And you understand that embracing the technologies of Industry 4.0 is imperative to the success of your business. But there are still questions and concerns that are holding you back. Concerns like, you don't have years to waste, so how long will it take to see solid results? Getting it wrong is not an option. So what is the right implementation strategy for deployment? And because your budget just can't handle massive expenditures, just how much is this going to cost? What you need is a rapid and dependable path to digital transformation deployment that will not destroy your budget. Welcome to L2L. L2L's Connected Workforce Platform offers the fastest, most predictable, and profitable path to digital transformation for manufacturers. Created by manufacturing professionals to dramatically accelerate shop floor productivity, L2L's technologies provide proven results and immediate return on investment. Installed, up and running in as little as 60 days. L2L brings your data together from all functions of your business into a singular, simple to use digital platform. L2L Smart Manufacturing Platform connects workers, departments, and sites like never before. L2L has helped award-winning companies improve operating performances such as increasing OEE, reducing downtime, increasing throughput, reducing cost of quality, improving labor cost, lowering maintenance costs, and all while speeding up the digital transformation process. If you would like to learn more about how L2L's Smart Manufacturing Platform can alleviate your concerns about digital transformation, then go to L2L.com or send us an email to info@L2L.com.